Happy birthday, Eunice. Happy birthday, Eunice. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Eunice.
I can see fire in your eyes. You make your own future. Don't be afraid to try. Be ready to seize the moment. Take a chance, make a statement. Feel the passion in your soul. Listen to your heart. Don't you hesitate to seek your fate. You are destined to make a change. Stand up, be proud, stand out. Choose to let your beauty shine. Speak up and shout. Speak your mind. Let the world know who you are. Turn a storm, the world is waiting. See all your dreams begin unfolding. Forget and break free. Be true to who you are. Feel the yearning in your heart. Eager to make a difference and be more of who you are. Choose to live life's passions. Embrace your beauty ambitions. Live to touch another's soul. Listen to your heart. Don't you hesitate to seek your fate. You are destined to make a change. Stand up, be proud, stand out. Let your girl power shine. Speak up and shout. Speak your mind. Let the world know who you are. Turn a storm, the world is waiting. See all your dreams begin unfolding. Forget and break free. Be true to who you are. Stand up, be proud. Stand up, be proud. Stand out. Let your girl power shine. Speak up and shout. Speak your mind. Let the world know who you are. Turn a storm, the world is waiting. See all your dreams begin unfolding. Forget and break free. Be true to who you are. Stand up, be proud. Stand out. Let your girl power shine. Speak up and shout. Speak your mind. Let the world know who you are. Turn a storm, the world is waiting. See all your dreams begin unfolding. Forget and break free. Be true to who you are. Be true to who you are.
product sa album, sa career, ganyan-ganyan. Alam mo na yun kung anong mga kailangan ko sabihin sa'yo. Miss ko na kayo, miss na kita. O, stay, alam mo yun, kailangan mo anuhin yung health mo, wag magpupuyat. Lahat, alam mo na yan, nandito lang ako para sa inyo, kahit na, alam mo na yun, wala na ako sa magiging RM. Kahit na malayo na ako, nandito pa rin ako. Happy birthday! Bye-bye!
Hi, Unilis! Happy birthday! Ano ba masasabi ko? Lahat na nasa sa'yo eh. Siguro may wish ko na lang sa'yo, good health talaga. Kasi, syempre, lagi tayo napupuyat, ang dami nating ginagawa, lagi kang busy. Kailangan mo ng lakas ng kailangan mo ng panlaban, yun. Lagi kang matulog na maaga para hindi mamaos. Nagawa mo yung sarili mo. Ano yan? Yan talaga yung, kumbaga parang kasama mo sa pagangat. Dapat lagi kang malusog para may panlaban. Yun lang, paulit-ulit. Tapos yun, sana tumibay pa yung samahan natin. Sana walang iwanan. Ayoko na mangyari yung kung ano man nangyari. Gusto ko magkakasama tayo hanggang sa dulo ng career natin. Yun. Salamat sa lahat. Salamat. Salamat sa dahil nandyan ka lagi. Isang text lang, nandyan ka na agad. Yun lang naman, kasi siguro lahat na nasa iyo talaga eh. Nag-iisip ako kung ano talaga yung wish ko. Yun lang. Good luck sa atin. Love you.
Ay, ako naman, happy birthday. Good luck sa career. And stay cute. Alam mo na ako masabi, grabe. Pero, parang stay grounded na lang. And stay with God forever. Yun lang. Sana, parang for life to yung pagsasama natin, lagi sa church. At yun, good luck sa career. Mahal ka namin. Happy birthday.
Bye! Happy birthday! Birthday!
Hi, Eunice. Happy birthday. Yun, alam mo naman how I enjoyed yung mga out of town natin before with Paraluman. Yung mga pinag-uusapan natin. So yun, I hope you have a good life. Saka, God bless the next single. Saka yun, forever crush kita. Happy birthday.
Hi, Eunice. Happy birthday. Tanda mo na, ilang taon ko na, 22, yeah, tanda. Yeah, I would like to greet you happy birthday, that God will bless you more this coming year. Alam ko, gagamitin ka niya to glorify Him, to spread His word. Always abide in Him, always remember that we are nothing without Jesus. Yeah, nandito lang kami nila Kiel, nila Jao, to support your band and to support you. So, happy birthday.
Hi, Eunice. Happy 31st birthday. Maraming salamat sa pagdyan mo sa amin. Maraming salamat sa suporta mo sa Six Cycle. Nandiyan ka palagi pag kailangan ng Six Cycle. Kasama mo, nandiyan rin naman kami palagi pagka kailangan mo Six Cycle. Alam kong malayo malarating ng banda mo kasi sobrang astig ng banda mo. And happy 31st birthday. Yun lang. Salamat.
Game? Hi, Eunice. Happy birthday sa hindi mo nababasa kung anong sinasabi ng aking lago. Pero happy birthday. Magpakabuti ka at magpakabait na bata. Okay? Happy birthday.
Uy! Hi, Eunice. Happy birthday. Alam mo naman yan na kung gaano ko kayo kamahal. Sobrang mahal na mahal ko kayo. Tuloy nyo lang yung good music nyo. Sobrang fan nyo ako. Sobra. So, ingat palagi. Enjoy. Huwag mong kalimutan yung mga di-adopt natin na mga animals dun sa Tapos, nagbebenta ng ticket. Huwag mong kalimutan. So, ayun na. Basta, enjoy the world. I love you, Eunice. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Peace out. A-Town.
Hello, Eunice. Happy birthday. Ilan taon na ba si Eunice? 22? Tanda mo na. Pero okay lang yan. You're on the right track, baby. You were born that way. Kaya,
Kung ano yung nakikita mong tama, kunin mo. Yun na yan. Yun na yan. So, you're gonna go a long way. Just do what you do, love what you do, enjoy what you do. Happy birthday.
Chonker, happy 22nd birthday. Tama, 22 ka na, diba? Tawag namin kay Eunice Chonker. Kasi pag may mga gig kami niyan dati, tawag niya sa amin, Chong, Chong, Chong. So, namang Chonker, diba? Chonker tawag ko sa kanya. Congrats sa career. I've seen you mature ever since nung first year college tayo. You were 15 or 16. And you used to call me Kuya Alvin. You were so small. Kuya Alvin! Tas, wow, who would have thought ngayon na pag natugtog ka sa stage, parang sa'yo yung stage, wala ka talagang pakialam. Ang galing, I'm proud. At isa pang napansin ko, this is kasi sa video, ikaw nga pala nag-edit lahat ng videos ng Grace Note, no? Actually lahat. Parang ikaw ata nag-edit, nag-upload. Pag nakita niyo yung video, si Eunice lagi yun. Masipag siya dun. Can I say, I wish you a happy birthday. Continue being the leader of the band musically and also spiritually, okay? I guess that's it. Keep in touch.